Hey dads, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step 2-hour workday so you can learn how to make daily pay. In the first step, we spend about 30 minutes of copy and pasted proven ads to high traffic websites. There's over 200 of them, and they're proven to work. This is not only going to be building up your email list and getting you customers, but it's also going to help you build up your YouTube channel. And the reason why is because we're going to be adding in a video from that channel to this copy and paste method. So you're not just going to be learning and learning, but you're also going to be learning and earning at the same time. Now for the second step, it's about 45 minutes of creating 3 pieces of content. This content could be a picture post, it could be a faceless video where you don't have to show your face, or it could be a speaking video like I'm doing now. And in these videos, we are throwing in a call to action. This is what gives you your freedom. Why do you ask? This is because it takes the people back through your automated system. This is what I call my freedom machine because it's out there working for me 24/7. And this is how you can only have to work 2 hours a day to make daily pay. Because it's out there doing all the telling, all the sharing, all the selling, and rejection for you. I've been doing this since April, and I never heard that 2-letter word, no. Why? Because the people, they enter my automation and I take them on a journey. It's called the know, like, and trust. I just want people to know what I have, see that it's going, if they're going to like it, and see if they can trust that it's a solution for what they're looking for. The ones that say yes, they buy. The ones that say no, they'll just unsubscribe. The other thing I know that's going on in my system is when I get that ding on my phone or my watch. You guys, that ding, that's what I want for you. And that's how you could have a 2-hour workday and learn the skills to make daily pay and build an income or build an online business for time freedom. If you want to learn more about the 2-hour workday and learn more about the blueprint and get a replay of a webinar we just did a few days ago, put yes in the comments and I would absolutely love to share it with you.